Hey, you got any snapping turtles?
Snapping turtles?
Yeah, you got any?
Not snapping turtles.
Why not?
We have turtles, but I don't think we have what you call snapping turtles. Snapping turtles like you find out in a pond?
Yeah, snapping turtle.
No, it's a fucking turtle.
No, we don't.
Wanna buy a snapping turtle?
Pardon?
Wanna buy a snapping turtle?
Do I want to buy one?
Yeah.
Oh, no. No, we won't buy a snapping turtle.
It's a 5-footer though.
Pardon?
It's a 5-footer though.
A 5 foot?
It's a 5-foot snapping turtle.
I'm sorry, I'm not understanding.
It's a 5-foot snapping turtle. You wanna buy it?
Yeah, no, I don't, and the store won't buy that either.
You playing possum?
Buy it. It's a collectible.
And what?
It's a collectible.
If it's a wild snapping turtle, take it to a pond.
But it's my pet. I need to sell it.
Is this the turtle that you bought in a store, though?
No, when I was about,
Yeah, but I bought it here a year ago.
let me think here, about 13 years old, I was out fishing. I caught a snapping turtle. I named it Bubba. I've kept it for 10 years and it's 5 foot now.
It's 5 foot.
It's a 5-foot snapping turtle.